Good morning students. English reader, class 4, lesson 10, The Nightingale. Summary. Once long ago in China lived an emperor. His palace had the most beautiful garden in the world. This garden ended near a dense forest. So in this chapter we will learn the story about China, that there lived an emperor and everyone was appreciating the beauty of the palace as well as the garden. In one of the trees of the forest lived a nightingale. It sang so sweetly that everyone stopped still and listened to its song. Travelers came from all over the world to admire the emperor's palace and his garden. However, they heard the nightingale's song. So, in their dense forest, there lived a nightingale bird. So it sang so sweetly and melodiously that everyone stopped over there and listened to the song very carefully. So everyone was very happy and admiring the emperor's palace as well as the nightingale's song. Soon the emperor heard of the nightingale and he ordered that birds should be brought to his palace and made to sing before him. A poor little girl led the way into the forest. Half the court went with her. So as soon as the emperor came to know that there is a bird who sang so sweetly, he ordered that bird should be brought to his palace, and that little girl led the way about the nightingale. That nightingale lived in a dense forest. After walking a long distance, the girl stopped near a tree. She pointed to a little grey bird up in the bark. So that small girl, she stopped near a tree and she pointed that this is the little grey bird, the nightingale. As the emperor commanded, the nightingale went to the palace and ordered to sing. The emperor was so happy that the golden cage was prepared and delicious food was served to the nightingale. So emperor was so happy that this nightingale sang a beautiful song, and for the nightingale the golden cage was prepared and delicious food was served. After some time the emperor forgot about the live nightingale as he received the parcel of golden nightingale. The emperor was listening the beautiful tune, and meanwhile no one noticed that it had flown away out of the window back to the forest. So after some days, some time, the emperor was collected the gift of golden nightingale. So he was busy with listening the beautiful song, and meanwhile no one noticed that the live nightingale had flown away from the window. Later the emperor fell ill and he wanted to hear a melodious song from the live nightingale. It sang the most beautiful song. The nightingale asked one promise from him, that let not any bird live in a cage. The emperor agreed with the promise. So after few days the emperor fell ill and he wanted to hear a melodious song. So that golden nightingale, the gifted nightingale, was worn from inside and all the music was stopped. So now we want live nightingale to sing a beautiful song so that he can recover quickly. So that nightingale sang the most beautiful song, and in return the nightingale asked one promise from the emperor, that that let not any bird live in a cage, that no bird should be kept in a cage. So with this promise the emperor agreed, and daily that live nightingale come to meet the emperor in the palace. Answer in one sentence. First, describe the live nightingale. Answer. The live nightingale was small, grey and dull. It was a forest bird. Second, what did the emperor receive in the parcel? Answer. The emperor received the golden nightingale in the parcel. Third, Why did the golden nightingale stop singing? Answer. The golden nightingale was worn inside and there was no music left in it. Fourth, what made the emperor feel better? Answer. The emperor felt better as the nightingale sang the song again for him. Answer in detail. First, why did the emperor command that the nightingale be brought to his court? Answer. The emperor wanted to listen to the song of the nightingale because everyone praised the nightingale's song. Second, why was the girl sure that it was the same nightingale the people were looking for? Answer. The little girl was sure as she had heard it sing while passing through the forest. Third, where did the live nightingale fly to from the open window? Answer. The nightingale flew back to the forest. Fourth, do you think keeping animals and birds in cages is a good act? Answer. No, it is not a good act to cage animals because they love to live in their own natural habitat. Fifth, why no one had noticed the absence of the live nightingale? Answer. No one had noticed the absence of the live nightingale because of the golden nightingale. Sixth, where do you think the nightingale lived? Answer. The nightingale lived in one of the trees of the forest. Make sentences. Admire. People go to the Mughal garden to admire its beauty. Cage. Do not keep the parrot in a cage. Command. The king will command his army to start the march. Delicious. The cake was delicious and so enjoyed by the guests. Dull. The color of your dress is very dull. You should wear something bright in color. 6. Parcel. I received a parcel of books from my uncle. Who said to whom? First, I know where the nightingale lives. Answer. The little girl said these words to the courtier. Second, my song sounds the best in the forest. Answer. The nightingale said these words to the little girl. Third, you must always stay with me. The emperor said these words to the nightingale. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. There are many wild animals in this dense forest. The cook baked delicious cakes in the royal kitchen. The grey bird sat on a high bough. The bird came in through the open window. The golden nightingale sang a melodious song. So with these, complete all the exercises in your book as well as in your copy. Thank you.